Right.
Alright,
Right, direct me in. Direct me in. Just straight down.
Yeah, just keep following it.
Okay, here we go. Bloody tractor drive. Yeah, so Reuben phoned me up today and says, I can't meet you from my house. Can you come down to pain in the arse? Come down to Madewell. I'm doing it as a one-off. As a one-off. I don't come out this far. Just washed my car.
Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called My First Specialist in Young Driver Insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a great company to deal with.
Is this the right way? Oh, I don't know. Farmers! They're all a pain in the... wherever. Now where am I going? Must be quite nice being a farmer actually, and getting up at the dawn and watching the birds of prey and living in the countryside. It's got to be better going working in somewhere else. Oh, he did send me a, oh my gosh, it's a magical mystery tour. Oh my god. He's some boy, this one, I can tell you. Bloody heck. Chance to do some single roads. So remember, on single roads we're always stopping half the distance we can see ahead, because effectively we're kind of driving on the wrong side of the road, or other people driving on our side of the road effectively. So as long as you can stop in that distance, half the distance you can see ahead, which means we're okay, we slow it down for the corners in particular. Notice that poo on the road. Let the poo be a clue. There could be a horse around the corner. Where are we? Does this look a bit more like it? Oh my god. This looks like a farmer. Those are bloody Wellingtons, and Christ knows what else. You are a pain in the... Are you going to get in those trousers, those frigging muddy trousers of my car?
It's just the front.
Oh mate, I'll turn the car around. Where are those shitty things going? Is this where you work?
No, we're just doing some pedaling.
Right, what should we do with you today? What are two things we can do? Because you know, quite frankly, you got the theory test coming on.
Yeah, I've got it. It's in... Oh, it's a week today, bloody hell. Yeah, I've got it in a week today. So...
Good.
Right.
Do that, get it booked. The earliest test is July.
Oh no.
Then we'll bring forward a cancellation up.
Have you been liking all my friends' comments?
Yes, I have.
Yeah.
The bit sort of unoriginal.
Yeah.
Some boy. Who's this Josh then?
Oh, I bought sheep. That's the one
He's
I
some
bought
boy.
sheep with.
We can either do manoeuvres, get those nailed.
Yeah.
Because I really think it's going to be a matter of, okay, that's done, excuse me, that's done,
Yeah.
bosh. Let's get you do some mock tests and get you used to it,
Yeah.
and then do it. So we can either look at manoeuvres today, or we
Yeah.
could go and look at slip roads and do dual carriageways.
I think manoeuvres. I think I'm a bit too tired today.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm famous on TikTok.
I know you are.
I am.
You're well up there.
I am getting you the views.
I know you are. It's brilliant. That's why I don't mind coming to Madewell. Make
Yeah.
up for it.
Yeah.
Here comes the tractor. It's an old tractor. Is that an old Massey Ferguson or something?
No, it's not that.
What is it? Just an old tractor. Case.
Could be a case.
Could be a case.
Kubota. Oh, it's a
Oh, what?
McCormick, I think.
That's an old.
It might be a McCormick.
They don't make those anymore, do they? What's the best breed of tractor then? Make a tractor.
Breed?
Yeah, make a tractor.
I drive New Hollands quite a bit. Quite like them.
Yeah.
Or John Deere are good. They're good for comfort. Oh, he's good.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's try and move them. Tell you what, you just go in there, reverse out, go forwards.
Oh right.
Just flip it around that way. And then just reverse it backwards. Manoeuvres!
Oh yeah. Wait, is it up? Oh, it's bloody up, isn't it?
No, if you bring that up to there, I'll show you that. Let's get him out of the way. He's a farmer, he's got things to do, mate. He's been up since 4.
Yeah. That's Nigel.
Is it Nigel?
Yeah.
Come you that way a little bit. So
What?
Nigel can get round.
I think he'll be Going up there,
Yeah, I know.
there's
So
track.
it's moving towards the house then. He can get around. Now you can go there, and we'll go down there. How about that?
Yeah.
Okay. You go there. Nigel, he can just go around, can't he? Can Nigel go around?
Yeah.
You go there. Tell Nigel to go around.
Well, if I just drive up there.
Yeah.
Where's the clutch guy? You're the...
Can you go round? Yeah, I know, but can you? Oh, I'll just go in there for a second. Oh, don't just turn the car around up here. Nigel, bloody farmers! It seems like a catchphrase today. Driving up here. Yeah, oh, that's nice. Well, that's fancy.
Yeah.
Can I tell you something? The person that lives here is not a driving instructor.
No.
No.
Right.
Man, what are you doing? Like
Oh,
that?
there's that.
Yes.
Oh, that is. Well, you're meant to do that.
Well, no, just you got big hands. Just do that.
That's
Go on
weird.
then. There you go.
That's so weird.
It's a bit weird.
Nothing on my big rig.
Nothing like the big rig. How's the big rig?
It's
The
good.
famous big rig.
I haven't really seen it much this week. I've been.
You know, decided to put some like a twin blasters on. Well, why don't you turn the car the way you want it to go?
What? Like,
Yeah. Reverse it round.
I don't know where.
That's it. And now flip the car around. As you're going backwards, flip it around there. That means the car's now ready to go. About dry steering on gravel. You're not going to do that, are you?
What? What's that?
Dry steering is steering the wheel without any motion.
Oh.
It kind of grinds the wheels out, tyres out a little bit, especially on crap surface like this. There we go.
Finally on the move.
Finally on the move. Manoeuvres. Right, nice and steady. Oh gosh.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to turn up with a tractor. I was going to give it a go. That's the only reason I come down here. Do a bit of tractor. I like the lazy tractor arm.
Are you allowed to do that?
Are you in control of the car? It's like deja vu.
Yeah, I am. I would say.
The highway code isn't full of things like you can't put your elbow on the thing, but if you're in control of the car, you're in control of the car. What are they growing on here? What's that sprouting? Winter barley, winter wheat.
Yeah, probably the winter wheat. It's pay volleys. Actually, they farm like 4,000 acres. So quite
4,000?
big. Yeah.
That's a big concern.
They're like farmers that like do like no-till, which is like they don't cultivate the ground much.
No.
So see, like you can still like the grey
So
bits.
leftovers, yeah.
Yeah, the stubble. Like, they only lightly cultivate it rather than like plough it. So,
Well, ploughing is like really bad now, isn't it?
well, it's not bad, but people make it out to be
Yeah.
really bad.
You just put cultivate, just break up the soil and have another go, don't you?
Yeah.
Now I've been doing my research into arable.
Oh, have you?
Yeah. So I like to be able to hold my own with any pupil.
Yeah.
I had to learn all about Vikings once to keep up with this chap.
Really?
He actually changed his name,
To what? To a
Ragnar War or something like that.
Oh my god.
He's so into Vikings, he changed his name.
That's it.
This is very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
You got fish in that bit in there.
I might need to adjust my mirrors when we get up to the top there.
Yeah, sure. Now, do you know what manoeuvres we got to learn?
Parallel park,
That's one.
reverse bay park,
Yeah.
forward bay park.
Yeah.
Don't
And
know the other.
pulling on the right hand side of the road, reverse and drive off.
Is that when you reverse like 2 cars back?
Yeah.
I don't really need to indicate it, but
Doesn't matter. It's not doing any harm, is it? You rode the dog. Oh, that's a nice house as well.
Yeah.
Gosh. Where's all this money come from, these people? That's all I want to know.
Farming. No, there's not much.
No, it's farming, right? Now, how much hedging have you got to do? Is it once it's done, that's it?
You don't.
Or do you have to
like
re-
10, 15 years, maybe?
Does
Well,
it?
depends. Like, not
What
everyone
happens?
does
You rip
it.
it up and start again, do you? Or what happens after?
You like cut it out. Well, that's not really a bad hedge, but like that'd be a bit worse. It's not even that bad. Like the hedges up there were massive. So, but like, well, when we were doing more planting this morning, so I planted like 130 this morning,
Really?
and then like Saturday we did 385,
Wow.
which is not too bad.
Do you reckon I should replace my fence with hedges in my garden?
What? I have no fence at all.
Yeah.
You could. Like, but a lot of people have fence inside. Like we've got a metal fence inside our.
Okay.
I'll come and do it. I'll do fencing, so I can.
You come do my fencing.
Yeah, I would actually.